What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda out here at Home Depot, and for the first time ever, I'm going to use a pickup locker. So I actually couldn't find my set of drill bits, so I wanted to order a new set because I needed them right away. So I ordered them on the Home Depot website for pickup up at my local Home Depot. Now, in the checkout, it didn't give me an option to pick them up at the locker. So I was actually pretty excited to see that when I got the confirmation they were available, that they were in a locker. Now, one of the things that you will need is the QR code or the PIN code to get into the locker. So you'll want to take that with you, or if you have a smartphone, just have the email because that QR code will be enough. But since I was shooting this on my cell phone, I didn't have the QR code on my phone to use. Now, you just go up to the locker itself, and there is a little screen there, and it shows you what it's looking at. So you'll just want to put your QR code into the frame of the screen, and it registered and found it right away and popped open my locker without a problem, and my drill bits were there. So you just close it up and go on your merry way. I really loved it because it was so convenient. I didn't actually even have to go in and wait at the customer service desk. If you've ever done that, you know that even if there's only a few people there, it can be minutes because they have to look up the order, go to their lockers, get that item out, finish the checkout with you, check your ID, and give it to you. So the locker is a really great feature. I really enjoyed it. I wish they would do it with more things and even maybe have some bigger lockers. So if you're picking up things like salt or something like that, you can get it there too. But using the Home Depot locker was pretty awesome. Check it out on your next purchase from Home Depot. Peter Von Panda. Out!